when I'm paying to park at a listing appointment. Once at closing, I'm going to put this $1.25 on the HUD and be reimbursed. Just kidding.
I'm Jennifer Kowalczyk. I've been doing real estate in Myrtle Beach for about 5 years.
And now, did you start doing real estate here, or were you doing real estate?
No, I started here. It actually is a great story. You know, my husband and I both worked at the Hard Rock Cafe. So we met a couple of friends that are from Fredericksburg, Virginia, and she actually wanted to start a company down here. So she met me and she's like, oh, you'd be perfect. So I went and got my license.
How long have you been with the Sisson team?
This month is a year. I almost forgot. Yeah, a year. Definitely excited to be with the team. Really enjoy it. I moved down from Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Thought I was just going to live here for a year, and here I am 17 years later. Our favorite thing is we like to go boating. So we live in Murrells Inlet, and we take the boat out just about every weekend, which is nice to kind of get away and de-stress and relax, but I still answer my calls out there too.
Yeah.
My husband does the fishing. I'm not baiting a hook or anything like that, but he does a lot of fishing. We just ride.
What's one of your favorite things about being a real estate agent?
My favorite thing is I like to help people find their dream house down here at the beach. I know a lot of people struggle with trying to figure the whole process out. They don't know the process, so I definitely like to help that whole process for them go smoothly, and of course my team here with the Greg Sisson team makes it real easy.
There's like a dozen golf cart parking spots at 3 o'clock in the middle of the summer and only 3 golf carts. And
Sure.
Parking is such a challenge. So down here on Shore Drive, golf carts are the way to go.
One thing that's really important to me is a lifestyle of activity, not so much athleticism, but to be active. So I like to do that in the form of biking, and then I put on here yoga because I like to do yoga. I'm really not a runner, but I thought I did a good job at showing that I like to be active. And I think it's, and then we have on the paddle board and the kayak, because I think it's good to be out in nature, which you can kind of see there's lots of green and things. Those are all very important to me. I've got a clip of the Lemon by Rihanna music video. I have a secret dream that I would love to be a hip hop dancer. And then I have ballroom dancing here because those are things that I like to do. The next part of what I have is like gardening and being outside. I love to garden. Not so much flowers, but more like vegetables. That's something that I really like. I love to be around plants and trees, and that's just something, I think it says like when I'm stressed I go outside and clear my head, and that's pretty accurate for me. That's things that I like to do. I have in here, definitely want my own home someday.
You know, we have a full-time videographer to capitalize our presence on social media to drive to gain more viewers which drives more buyers to our site, which exposes our listings to more buyers. And that's the name of the game. The more buyers I can expose your condo to, the better chance we have to get you top dollar in the fastest amount of time. Where am I going here?
You said Shore Drive?
Yeah, that's
Keep
right.
going to the light.
I know, I run this road, I've just kind of lost my bearings.
Yeah, you're good.
It feels like we're closer. I'll give, I'll give a little trivia to new Myrtle Beach people, or even old school Myrtle Beach people that don't know Shore Drive that well. The biggest hill in Myrtle Beach and the best hill to run that's not a bridge, not an artificial hill, because there's some good artificial hills, bridges to run. The best natural hill is on Mason Drive, and it's a little secret. So if you want to get some hill work in and you're visiting Myrtle, or you live here and want to do some hill work, meet me early in the morning on Mason Drive. Please wait while you start to sweat. Approved. Okay. That's great. Linen.
Home on clothing.
This is how these units used to all look. See that paneling back there? So it really makes a difference when you paint it. So we do this on our $150,000 listings and our $1 million listings. So everybody gets this, and then you can do the walkthrough. Now here's what's important about this. You guys, if we get this out to somebody up in Maryland or New York or wherever, they can literally walk through this unit, and what else is it? It's not a 5,000 square foot house. They can make a decision from this or write a contract contingent upon viewing it next week when I'm in town. So. Yeah. Take care.
Have a good one.
See ya.
Have a good one.
You too. He's a really nice guy.